Hi all, welcome to Garden Angels Public School. This is a special election coverage, Angelic Election 2025. We are bringing you voters' insights, voters were casting their ballots, election officials ensuring that the process is moving in a smooth way. Let's get to the games of the process.
Voting process. So you see these sheets. These kind of sheets are pasted all over the benches and desks. You can look at it and write the number of the candidate in the small paper.
Classes 9 ABC leaders as well as class leaders coordinate the election process. Election process started from 11:30 onwards. We can meet the election officials, ID checking officials, ink marking officials, and different cabins to cast their votes. This is the head boy ballot where you can mark your vote, and that is the head girl ballot where you can mark your vote. And that is assistant boys ballot where you can cast your vote for your assistant leaders as well as the assistant girl leader. How was your first voting experience?
It was great. It was my first time voting. It was a nice experience. Thank you.
Thank you. Now let's talk to the election candidate. How was your experience as an election candidate?
From my experience, I really hope that we can get our hard work's result, and I hope that I will. Thank you.
Now let's check on to the voters' prediction. Who will be the head girl? Who will be the head boy?
Jitu.
Head girl.
Anugraha.
Who will be the head boy? Now let's meet the chief election official, Reverend Father Vinu Joseph OCD.
So, elections are not something new with regard to the school. It usually happens in the school. But this year I just wanted the class 9 students, since they are studying the election procedure, I wanted them to experience. So the whole election campaign from the very beginning, from selecting the nominees, they are giving the nomination form. Everything was arranged and set by the class 9 students. And what surprised me greatly was their enthusiasm in doing the act. And especially today, the voting day, I could see all of the students very enthusiastically taking part in arranging the things so that everything is going on smoothly without any lag or anything. So a big hats off to the class 9 students, and the teachers, they were just the overseers of the whole thing. So it was actually, the whole thing was executed by the class 9 students, and a great appreciation to them.
Let us meet the Vice Principal, Mrs. Ramsi MJ.
So this time we have given the students an opportunity to conduct the election in an organized manner. So very happy to see that the class 9 students have organized everything very systematic manner, and all the students work hard behind the conduction of this election, Angelic Election, very nicely. So first of all, I would like to congratulate the students of class 9 and all the class teachers of 9th standard. And let me thank our principal, Reverend Father Vinu Joseph OCD, for giving this wonderful opportunity for our students to conduct this election in a very wonderful manner. Thank you.
Voting is underway. Cast your vote and make sure your voice is heard. Thank you.